Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the dome-shaped muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts involuntarily. This quick contraction causes you to suck in air rapidly, which makes your vocal cords snap shut, creating that distinctive hic sound. Hiccups can be triggered by a variety of things, such as eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, sudden temperature changes, or even emotional stress. These triggers can irritate the nerves that run from your brain to your diaphragm, causing the muscle to spasm. Most hiccups are harmless and go away on their own after a few minutes. But in rare cases, persistent hiccups can signal an underlying medical issue. While we don't fully understand every detail about why hiccups occur, they're generally a quirky, temporary glitch in the body's breathing system. If you enjoyed this brain bite, please give us a like.